So, hello everybody. Arculyator, what does it mean? How can we use it? It is software, but it is also a method. It looks similar to other on-screen takeoff software, but it is something different, and I will show why. How it was drawn I will show later. Now about what kind of calculation we can make about it. Of course, we have access to all global values in the one table, and we can make some estimations. Selecting the required rooms. This is the total area. Presave tables with the consumption rates and rules for calculation. Everything is customizable. This single section of bill of quantity. We can save it and we can return to this element at any time. It's presented as icon, so we can open, check or edit it. This is the easy part. Besides that, we have the ability to work with any separate wall and any special area on the wall. The example, where in the kitchen we have the special areas on the walls for tiling. We are talking about work areas above the countertop, etc. This should be tiled and excluded from the total area of the walls to be painted. For that we use a specific approach, so the grid. Facing element, the one of the grid properties. It can be tile or a panel. We can select it from database and set next point, the consumables table. It's presented as a pre-programmed table that can use the covered area as a variable in the calculation process. Here we can see the resources that should be used with the cladding element. Presaved grids. Precise placement. Installation. Next wall. Three-D view, how it looks. Projection of all kitchen walls. Calculation. Next, single section of bill of quantity. Let's go to global plan and variables table got new values. This row is area without tiling, so we can continue calculation like for painting or something like that with these numbers. Tables. A little bit more about the table. This is not only a table but also a program. As example, decorative plaster. This is code. manager the request to user about content. This section, it works first request, thickness, next request, selection of material, and we have next single section of bill of quantities. The same thing. Besides that, we can make calculation for special technologies like laminate flooring. You can see it. Suspended ceiling. Plasterboard ceiling. One special case. It's more for exterior cladding, but I want to show it. Linear accessories along the junction of the cladding to opening, corners, bottom, top and other places. Head grid is special grid with linear details. Generate panels, frame and linear details. Each place for each detail is predefined via a custom table. You can see it. We can change it in any time. Now, as I said it before, I will show how it was drawn. Loading PDF background. Scaling. And start drawing. Rest of room are rectangular. It's easy. In these rooms now we should to set opening. Okay, it took 12 minutes, no special efforts, but pay attention, using PDF as background and background in general is not mandatory, it's only option. As a result, we have list of section of bill of quantities available for editing and refinement. That's it. It was Arculyator. It is software, but it also a method. Thank you.